What's up, and welcome to the channel. This is going to be the first video of a little video series we're going to be doing on this truck right here. That's my 2018 Ford F150 Powerstroke. So it's got the 3.0 Powerstroke in it. We're going to do kind of a complete build series on it. We're doing a Baja Kits long travel. I'll kind of flip around here. Baja Kits long travel kit. Their full Prerunner kit to it, so it'll make it 3 inches wider. Doing front and rear King Shock 3.0s on it. We currently have the Methods with 35-inch Falcon tires on it right now. This is the Powerstroke emblem. We're going to do a full wrap on it. Fiberwerx is going to do our fenders, so we'll have the 3-inch wide fenders coming out here, front and rear, Raptor look. It'll be kind of cool to do the Raptor fenders on this new body style Ford. So today we're going to start with the dyno. We're going to do a baseline dyno on this truck. It is completely stock. It just has the 35-inch mud terrains. So we're going to do a quick dyno run. My buddy's going to meet us out there. His name's Derek. So I think we're going to, I believe it's called Throttle Works. We're going to go over there and we're going to do a little dyno run, see where the numbers are stock here. And then I have a S&B cool air intake. We're doing a tune. We're doing, you know, different rear gears, you know, on top of push those 37s that we're going to be getting in the full long travel kit. So anyway, stay tuned. We're going to zoom on over to Throttle Works, and yeah, we're going to go from there. Okay, so here we are, we're at Throttle Works, and so come here if you need any custom tuning. We're running their dyno today, so you'll see some videos to come. We'll do a little quick walkthrough through their shop, and they got some really cool cars here. I forgot my sunglasses, so the sun's killing me right now. But anyways, yeah, you got to come check out Throttle Works over here in Boise, located just off Chinden. Chinden and 44th Street. So anyway, yeah, we'll put a link for them down in the description, and we're gonna go check out the dyno and check out inside, and we'll go from there. There we go. Dude, check that out. This thing is sick. Full wide body, full cage. Pretty cool shop.
That's all us too.
Oh yeah? Yeah. Got some toys. Oh, is that a buggy up front? I think I see some King Shocks. Oh yeah, check. Here you go, Derek. This is like a King of Hammer setup. This is what I'm talking about right here.
That's just a dune buggy, baby.
Yeah.
King of Hammers, you can forward drive.
Okay, yeah. Yeah, that thing's just... Huh. It's a cool shop, man. I never knew this was here.
I have no idea.
So these are...
Triple.
Those are the triples that are going to go on the front of mine when I pony up to pay for them.
Did I tell you that ADS is kicking in for the Bronco?
No.
ADS is throwing out for the Bronco. They're selling us quadruple bypass like these. Oh no, those are triple. Just kidding. They're sending us quadruple bypass.
Wow. Yeah. That'd be cool. My buddy's got one of these. Yeah. Dude, GTR.
Yeah.
Oh, sick.
So
we're going to get the baseline pull here and see what we do for the numbers on the stock. Fourth gear pull.
How smooth I was on the pedal on that. I still got a completed run out of it, but
Yeah.
I think I could probably get a better torque number out of it. I don't think it was smooth enough on the pedal.
Okay.
So you can see the difference though between 3 and 4 here.
Yeah. Yeah, it's just almost confusing, right? When you have 10 gears, it's, you know, where do you...
Which one do you pick to do the dyno pulls in? And I don't want to... Technically, 1-to-1 is what you want a dyno stuff in, but there's a lot of vehicles I've had where 1-to-1's actually not something really achievable to get to the top end of the... I've had some things that were... Not that this is underpowered, I've had some stuff that's underpowered where in 1-to-1 and I want to go to 6,400 RPM and that I'm having a hard time pushing past 62 or 6,100. It just doesn't have the nuts up there to get it up there. So I go per run colors. That'll show you the difference between 3 and 4.
Yeah.
So third gear was run 1, fourth gear run 2. So you can see I did get a bigger torque number out of it. Horsepower didn't, came on sooner. Yeah. Because of the torque coming on sooner. Yeah. They didn't really peak out much higher though.
No.
Surprisingly. So.
All right, so this is going to be the third pole. We are running fourth gear, so let's see what it does.
So it looks like it came down a little bit on the torque side. Nice.
Yeah, so it automatically...
so even if I kick the fan on it right now, it wouldn't even care.
It wouldn't even care, yeah.
I didn't know that you had that option on here.
Yeah, I know.
Wow.
It's that's
I remember the days of old diesels and having to stick a piece of cardboard behind the grill to get the thing in Buffalo, New York, man.
Oh, yeah. Until we lost it. No, it will. So this is what we're looking at. Let's see if I can get a good shot. So the overall horsepower, the max was 362 torque, 191 horsepower.